This is my speech on the sixth sense, and this is my audience. Mike, Chris, and Shawnee. Maybe I will get started in just a moment. Did you know that everyone has a sixth sense, and that in order to develop the sixth sense, one needs to recognize the times when you've been touched by the unseen world? Have you ever come across pictures or photographs of images of the unseen world, such as angels or ghosts? These pictures provide a blurred glimpse in the paranormal activity around us. The truth is that we are almost always impacted by the unseen world, whether we are aware of it or not. At one time or another, everyone that is alive today has seen the unseen world around them, heard from them, been touched by them, smelled them, either while in a waking state or through a dream. Those who can't recall having the experience are not aware of the signs because of fear or ignorant programming through TV, religion, books, or they are just in denial. This leads us to the sixth sense and what it is by definition. The sixth sense is the ability to perceive the unseen world of angels, ghosts, heaven, and understand the cause and effect, a relationship behind these events. The ESP, extrasensory perception, clairvoyancy, premonitions, intuitions are examples of the sixth sense. We perceive the seen world through our five senses: smell, taste, sight, touch, and sound. We also use our minds and our intellect. The mind and the intellect is considered the sixth sense. When the sixth sense is developed, it helps us to understand the spiritual world around us. The unseen world is all around us. However, we cannot see this world. In order to tune into this world, we need like a spiritual antenna. This is why our sixth sense needs to be awakened. Some unseen encounters are sometimes referred to as ghosts. A ghost is defined by a soul of a man, a disembodied spirit, an apparition, a shadow. Ghosts were once human in physical form, living their lives like all of us, until their passing into death. When the physical body dies, the soul continues on. And if these people don't cross over, they remain earthbound and become ghosts. The reason they stay earthbound may vary from each individual ghost. The sixth sense is a part of everyone, whether or not we like it. It is a normal part of the human psyche and not an abnormal or reserved for special or gifted people. The sixth sense helps us to understand and relate to the spiritual world. Every human being is equipped from birth with what they will need to communicate with the spirit world from where they came and where they eventually will go when they die. For example, it's like a scientific phenomenon that works in the transmission of electronic information from a TV or radio. These require you to tune into a particular band of frequencies that help you to program in. The sixth sense is similar in that it requires a tuning into another person's frequency, the frequency of someone in the spirit world. Electronic tuning is done through an electronic means, which is kind of mechanical. Spiritual tuning is done through the brain or mental focus, intent, and desire being the same. Electronic tuning is reliable, consistent, and tangible. It has a scientific basis, its manifestations all from a scientific laws, even the laws that haven't been discovered yet. Spiritual tuning is, in a sense, science in its infancy. Dr. Fenwick stated, "Other evidence points to the mind and the brain being identical. It seems that the mind may operate in part outside of the brain, sort of like a field that works similar to a TV program receiving airwaves. This evidence points to the sixth sense." Other studies have been done by medical students, the physical body, for example. During these studies, they discovered interesting facts about the soul's existence. Their studies have involved different people right before their death. These scientists weigh the subjects right before they die, then they weigh them again right after they die. This enabled the scientists to find a slight difference in weight in body. Could this be the soul leaving the body, causing the bodies to be lighter? Reality on Earth can be categorized in three aspects: the known, the unknown, and the unknowable. The known is what we have proven with science. The unknown is what science has yet to discover. The unknowable is the mystery of our universe, that which can never be known. It gives us life meaning. The unknowable is what keeps us inspired. We are here on Earth to experience life fully and to make known the unknown. In order to develop your sixth sense, one needs to recognize the times when you have been touched by the unseen world around you. One may use logic, reason, and science to try to unlock the mysteries of life. Logic, reason, and science can only take us to a certain point. The unknowable is something beyond all this. We use our sixth sense to help us catch a glimpse into the unknowable. You have to learn to become observant and watchful. Using your sixth sense is the ability to receive and interpret the energy of the unseen world, our environment, and other people. It is the entrance into the world of the unseen encounter, the unheard communication, the unfelt touch of someone from the spiritual world trying to connect with someone in the physical world.